In the lush green world of jungle joy, Monkey Mama lived happily with her curious little baby, Chikki. Their home was a cozy tree house on a giant mango tree, filled with sweet smells of ripe fruit and chirping birds. Every morning, Monkey Mama would swing from vine to vine, collecting fruits, nuts, and flowers. She sang jungle songs, while baby Chikki clapped along. One fine morning, as golden sunlight trickled through the trees, Monkey Mama heard loud buzzing sounds coming from the other side of the jungle. She stopped swinging and listened closely. B-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z. B-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z. Bees, she whispered, tilting her head. But they sound angry. Herb Chapter 2, The Angry Buzz. Monkey Mama followed the buzzing sounds and peeked through the trees. There, in the middle of the jungle, was a huge honeycomb hanging from a thick branch. And below it were broken flowers and scattered leaves. Suddenly, a swarm of angry bees burst out of the hive, circling wildly. Monkey Mama gasped. Oh dear! Something must have happened. She gently approached the bees, but stopped at a distance. Hello, dear bees. Is everything all right? An old bee named Queen Bella fluttered forward. Our hive was shaken by a wild storm. Now we're angry, tired, and homeless. Monkey Mama's heart melted. Oh no! You must be exhausted. Yes, sighed Queen Bella. We can't find a safe place to rebuild. The jungle is full of noise and danger. Monkey Chapter 3, A Jungle Council. Monkey Mama couldn't leave the bees in such distress. She quickly called a jungle council under the ancient baobab tree. All animals were invited: Elephant Ella, Giraffe Gino, Tortoise Toto, Parrot Polly, and even the cheeky monkeys from the east side. Monkey Mama stood up. Friends, the bees need our help. Their hive is destroyed and they are angry and afraid. Elephant Ella raised her trunk. We can give them space near the waterfall. It's quiet and full of flowers. But what if they sting us? Whispered a rabbit nervously. Monkey Mama smiled. They won't sting unless they feel unsafe. If we show kindness, they'll feel safe. Everyone nodded slowly. Honeybee Chapter 4, A New Beginning. With vines, sticks, and jungle clay, the animals worked together to build a new hive near the sparkling waterfall. Monkey Mama helped guide the bees, showing them spots filled with blooming flowers. Chikki clapped in joy as the bees began flying happily again. Queen Bella buzzed with pride. This is perfect. We've never seen such kindness. The bees got to work immediately, rebuilding their golden hive with teamwork and joy. Rainbow Chapter 5, Trouble in the Trees. Just as peace returned, a loud rustle came from the northern trees. A group of mischievous raccoons had entered Jungle Joy, stealing fruit and poking at nests. Monkey Mama stepped forward. Raccoons, this jungle is a peaceful place. Please don't disturb the animals. But the raccoons laughed. We do what we want. Suddenly, they hurled a mango at the new hive. No! Chikki cried. The bees buzzed angrily, preparing to attack. Queen Bella was furious. "That's enough." But before chaos broke out, Monkey Mama raised her voice gently. Herb Chapter 6, The Power of Calm. "Wait," she said calmly. "We don't need a war. We need understanding." She walked slowly to the raccoons. "Why are you stealing and throwing things?" The youngest raccoon looked down. "We're hungry. The forest where we lived was cut down. We have nowhere to go." "Oh," said Monkey Mama softly. "Why didn't you say so?" "We thought you wouldn't care," whispered another. Monkey Mama hugged the little raccoon. Everyone matters in jungle joy. Monkey Chapter 7, Sharing is Caring. Monkey Mama invited the raccoons to join the jungle family. With the bees' permission, she helped them settle in a hollow tree near the hive. Elephant Ella shared fruits. Parrot Polly taught them jungle songs. Even Queen Bella smiled. With a promise to live peacefully, the raccoons became part of the jungle. Honeybee Chapter 8, The Great Jungle Festival. To celebrate the newfound friendship, Monkey Mama organized the Great Jungle Festival. It was filled with dancing, drumming, and delicious honey cakes, generously provided by the bees. Monkey Mama and Chikki danced in the center, their tails swaying happily. The bees buzzed to the rhythm, and even the shy raccoons sang their hearts out. Queen Bella flew to Monkey Mama. "You have a heart of gold. You've turned our anger into joy." Monkey Mama smiled. "Kindness is the sweetest nectar." Sun with Face Chapter 9, A Peaceful Jungle Forever. From that day on, Jungle Joy became the most peaceful jungle in the land. Bees buzzed calmly, raccoons played fairly, and animals helped each other. Monkey Mama became known as the Queen of Kindness, and little Chikki learned the greatest lesson of all. When you care for others, everyone shines brighter.